Hello and welcome back to Purple Griffin. Today we're diving into another crucial aspect of IT service management, the journey to becoming an ITIL Managing Professional. Whether you're building upon your ITIL foundation or looking to enhance your practical IT management skills, this video is here to guide you. If you find our content helpful, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing our videos. Your support helps us bring you even more content and insights into IT service management. So let's begin. ITIL 4 brings a fresh perspective to IT service management, aligning closely with modern digital operations. The ITIL Managing Professional certification is designed for those looking to master the practical aspects of managing successful IT-enabled services, teams and workflows. It's ideal for both IT managers and practitioners working within technology and digital teams across all organizations. To start your managing professional journey, you'll need the ITIL 4 Foundation Certificate as a prerequisite. From there, the pathway includes 4 modules that build upon each other. Each managing professional module brings you a unique focus. Create, Deliver and Support covers operational practices. Drive Stakeholder Value dives into customer relationship management. High Velocity IT focuses on rapid delivery of products and services. And Direct Plan and Improve concentrates on strategic planning and continual improvement. Preparing for the Managing Professional track requires commitment, so utilize the official ITIL ebook, our online resources and videos. And obviously we strongly recommend our accredited training courses. More information about our courses can be followed or found on our website and in the description below. Our virtual classrooms are delivered as small group sessions and are always delivered by a hands-on experienced tutor who will enhance the collaborative learning experience we offer. It's crucial to understand how ITIL principles can be practically applied. To illustrate this, let's imagine scenarios within a fictional company. Universal Exports. Universal Exports needs to launch a new service quickly. So how do they do that? They can apply high velocity IT principles. The team uses agile methodologies, ensuring a rapid yet reliable deployment. To improve customer engagement at Universal Exports, it uses Drive Stakeholder Value practices. They focus on understanding customers' needs and tailoring services accordingly. And using Direct Plan and Improve principles, Universal Exports regularly reviews and optimizes their workflows, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Earning the ITIL Managing Professional qualification can significantly improve your career, opening opportunities in senior management roles, solidifying your experience in the ITIL framework, and also enhancing your earning potential. Information technology is always evolving, and so should your skills. Staying updated with the latest ITIL practices and trends is crucial for ongoing professional growth. That's our comprehensive guide to becoming an ITIL Managing Professional. Remember, this journey enhances your practical skills and management abilities in IT. Check out the description for more resources and start your journey today. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more ITIL and service management content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.